Welcome to another video on smart architectural programming, and in today's video we'll be going to discover the world of Houdini and UV-Python. Ladies and gentlemen, architects of imagination and digital dreamers, today we're diving headfirst into the magic of Houdini, an absolute powerhouse in the world of 3D procedural modeling, and specifically exploring how UV-Python scripting can unlock a treasure trove of creative possibilities for your architectural projects. So buckle up. It's going to be an engaging ride. So today, let's move on to the first step, right? How would you give birth to Houdini on your system, right? First things first, let's get Houdini onto your machine. Houdini is a professional grade tool, but you don't need to worry. Even a novice can start sculpting the universe with a little guidance. Here's how. So first we need to go to SideFX website, as you can see on the screen. One of the tips here is that you probably need to look up for apprentice license if you're starting. It's free, feature packed, and perfect for exploring the Houdini playground, right? So let's get to that basically. So as you can see on the screen right now, we'll go to on SideFX website, we'll go to Houdini overview. And here we should be try for free basically. We click that. We'll log in through Google. You can create your own account as well. Either way, you can use what works basically. So once we are within the website here, there are two ways to install that. There's the launcher, and there's a there's an old installer. You need to select your device. Right now, the star means it's pre-selected for Windows, but you can select for Linux, Mac OS, Silicon with Apple Silicon, and then Mac OS with Intel. So let's install this this software here. So we downloaded the software, and let's wait and see basically what we do next. Next we need to install this software. So let's move towards that basically. All right. So as we were moving to the next step, we'll downloaded that installer for Houdini. We're going to open that installer file and install that basically. So we're going to go over that process here. You just step through the installer here step by step, and it installs Houdini onto your platform basically. So we wait and basically wait until Houdini gets installed. Should be a fairly quick process. There are certain requirements that you might want to see on your computer regarding Houdini to make sure that your computer fulfills those requirements, but to a degree all modern PCs at this stage can work with Houdini basically if they are relatively up to date basically. So let's wait for Houdini to get installed for the next step. Generally speaking, what you need to remember regarding Houdini is that it's a very effective tool for UV Python related activities, especially modeling, games, and their textures basically. So yeah, so let's wait until this gets installed. Here it go. We have Houdini installed, and let's move on to the next step. The next step here would be going into the features of UV Python, and particularly Houdini as a tool in UV Python. But for this video, we're going to wrap this video up at this stage, as we've gone over how you can install UV Python with great ease. If you got any value from this, please like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments below, right? If you feel if you feel that Houdini is probably not the best tool for UV Python, let us know your opinion on that. And with that, we're going to wrap this video up. Please stay tuned, because we're going to go over in great detail about how Houdini works and its features in this playlist regarding UV Python Houdini. And with that, we're going to wrap this video up and see you in our next video. Thank you. Please stay tuned, because we're going to